Hello kids, welcome to Sai Ji Academy. Today we will learn phonics with fun learning. Now let's start. Apple. B ball. C cat. Meow meow. D dog, a sweet dog. Elephant. F for fish. G goat. H hat. Igloo. J jug. K kite. L lion. M monkey. N nest. Orange. Parrot. Q queen. R rabbit. S sun. Train. U umbrella. V van. W watch. Xmas tree. Y yak. Zebra. Great job kids! Practice every day. Like, share and subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye for today.